Okay, this is Sweet Billy. Now I'm on the upper level, looking at this tall plastic tree. Anyway, that's where he's at. Lehigh Valley Mall.
This is Simple Study, and I'm at this big shopping center that Sweet Billy and Anabelle wanted me to see. So we're gonna walk on over to the moving stairs he was talking about. Apparently, you can just stand on them and they take you up and down as far as you need to go. Sound like fun to me. Let's take a look. And here they is. I'm getting on it right now. Yes. I'm kind of scared. I'm holding on to the railing here. Simple Study thinks this is fun though. They don't have these down in Mississippi. Wow. Look at there, we're coming down to the lower levels.
We'll have to hit this on our way out again.
Now I'm gonna walk around yonder here and see about going back up again. Yep. There it is. Can't see it yet.
Should we, Mom? We'll wait
There
at the
she
entrance.
is. We're gonna get right on here. There he is. So he's going up and away. Yes, sir. This is scary as heck. I'm not sure I like this. Getting on and off. Get your foot caught down in there. That's it. Sweet Billy and Annabelle was right. That's pretty highfalutin. And I think I'm gonna do that again. Gonna go inside the mall a little bit further and see if I can find another one of those stair movers. They're pretty convenient for people that don't want to do too much walking. Anyway, if I find another one, I'll be back on to show you. See you in a little while. All right. Simple Study done found another one of them moving stairs. We're gonna commence to getting on. So we're gonna get on her, go down, and then come back up on the other one. Let's have some fun. Here we go. Yeah. Simple Studies on the stairs, going down, almost down to the bottom. And now he's gonna go back up. That's where we're going. Yes. Now he's going back up where we're coming from. They don't have anything like this in Mississippi. Oh, I'm sure grateful that Sweet Billy and Annabelle invited me to go on this shopping excursion on Black Friday. I'm really enjoying these escalators. That's what someone just told me. It's called an escalator. Yes. Just keep looking for some more. again, the Simple Studies going to be getting back on this moving stairs again. This is the first ones we was on earlier. We're going to give her another go. I don't think I'm going to be so scared this time. They call them the moving stairs. No, they think they call them the escalators. That's what I heard anyway. Let's find out how it goes this time. Eyes on it. Eyes on it, and we's going up. Then we're going to come right back down again. We're almost there. Hey, I only had to hold on to the railing for like 5 seconds. Now we're gonna go back down the other side. I could do this all day. They don't have this kind of highfalutin technology in Mississippi. Here we go. Now we're going to be going down. Yes. You can see behind me. There's us going down. Hey, there's Simple Study going down the moving stairs. I'm getting off, and there he is. That's quite the experience. So yes, once again I want to thank Sweet Billy and Anabelle for bringing us on, for bringing Simple Study on this shopping excursion. There's supposed to be a lot of good sales today. And I'm going to see if I can find some candy bars or something. Because I'm getting kind of hungry from riding all those escalators and moving stairs or whatever they want us to call them. So that's all for now. I'll see you again. Bye.